Autron, fully automatic end-of-line packaging system. Integrated case erector, case packer, case sealer, palletizer. Previously, 6 to 8 workers needed for the whole line. Currently, only one operator to manage the entire process. Reduces labor cost by more than 70%. Stable output, consistent packing quality. Are you interested to automate your packaging steps? Contact us for free solutions.